Okay. A factory selling cell phones has a marginal cost function. So usually you would write that as MC. I don't think you would write it as C. So I'll just correct that. Marginal cost function is given by that. And marginal revenue is given by that. Find the area between the graphs of these curves and x equals 0. Let me graph that to show you. 0.01 x squared minus 3x plus 229. 429 minus 2x. Between 0. Yeah, so like that's try and capture that. That's this area here. So just bit of calculation what you're doing here. It's integration from, oh, that looks like that point is 200. Possibly is 200, but let's just say it's 200 for the moment. I can check it now in a second. 200. The line, which is the marginal revenue minus the marginal cost. And that really should say marginal cost and marginal revenue. When you integrate marginal cost, your marginal revenue, you actually get the total revenue. It's an economic definition. Marginal means derivative. That's what the word marginal means here. So to speak roughly, so that would be total revenue minus total cost, 0 to 200. So total revenue minus total cost, that's profit at 200 minus the profit at 0. I guess what I could do is I could multiply this by 200. I'm still assuming it's 200, and divide this by 200. So it's kind of like I put a 200 here times 1 over 200 here. I could make it as an average. Maybe I don't want to do that. What would that be? The profit at 0. Well, there's no profit at 0 because you haven't sold anything. So how would I explain this? The gain in profit for the first 200 sales. That's one. I guess I could say that. Gain in profit for the first 200 sales. Another way to think about this is the 200 times 1 over 200 integration from 0 to 200. And we said marginal revenue minus marginal cost, that's marginal profit. So this here would be the average. So it's 200 times the average marginal profit. So 200 times the average profit per cell phone for the first 200 cell phones. So I'm not sure exactly how they would want us to interpret this. So let's see what they say at the back. Total profit for 200 cell phones sold. Total profit? Profit 200 minus profit 0. But gain and profit for the first 200 sales. Total profit for 200 cell phones. Oh, and we have to integrate it. Find the area. Okay, I never actually calculated the area. Um, uh, yeah, I guess that's okay. I guess so. It's the first 200 phones you sell. Um, and I suppose I can see here when you integrate this, that gains an X. So I guess that would be 0. That would be 0. So that's gone. So yeah, you're just after profit 200. So okay, let's just calculate it here. If you integrate, so subtract these and integrate. So it's the line integrated. 429x minus x squared minus 0.01 x cubed over 3 minus 3x squared over 2 plus 229x at 0 to 200. So that is the profit function. And when you put in 0, you do get 0. So actually that's gone. So I can delete the word gain, and it's the profit for the first 200 sales. Yeah, okay. So that does check out. Let's see if I get the same answer at the back by putting in 200. 429 times 200 minus 200 squared minus 0.01 times 200 cubed over 3 plus 3 over 2 times 200 squared minus 229 times 200. Yep. 3.33. No unit given. No currency given in the question. They've assumed it's dollars, but that's actually not stated. Could be euros, could be any currency. So I think that does warrant a ticket.